What's up YouTube headphones and stuff, coming at you with another video, this one being on my latest pickup from Golf with Fleur. These are the Giannos. Now I do have one pair of Giannos here. If you want to see my review on these, check that out on my page as well. I've had these for quite a few months and they're holding up really well. They're a very durable shoe. But Golf with Fleur came through with a more spring-like colorway, which I actually like a lot more versus the more traditional hiking colors. So this specific color, if we look here, is the Skylight French Vanilla Bison. So there's a lot of words there. Basically it's like brown, yellow, and blue. Of course it comes in this regular Gianno box. It's different from the Golf with Fleur 1-star Unos in that it's a nicer box. And it's in this banana yellow with prints all around, Golf with Fleur on one side. Sorry if it's a little overexposed, but this is my first time taking a look at them. They just came in the mail. Alright, so here it is. I'm going to turn the exposure down just a little bit so we can get those true colors in there. I think that's just about right. So as you can see, you have a mixture of many different materials on here. You actually have this, you know, pretty nice, not too dark, not too light blue suede that goes all the way around from the toe to the back of the shoe with the embossed Golf with Fleur logo. You also have your Converse tag. Then you have, you know, your rubber sole material in a brown and a banana yellow type of color. I don't know if I'd call it a cream or a banana yellow. It's somewhere in there. Then you have a light blue material here, which I believe is kind of like a waterproof, being that it's closer to the bottom of the shoe. So that's nice. And then you have brown with reflective 3M. And then you have this, you know, more airy type of mesh up here compared to this. This is, I don't know what material. I think it's just a more tighter weaved mesh on here, which is actually different than what I observed on this Golf with Fleur. It's kind of hard to see here, but you have these black little dots that kind of go along on this one, where this one's just more of a straight up flat texture. And then, yeah, it comes with 2 pairs of laces. You have blue with reflective 3M dots, and then you have this light blue, which is a less of a rope shape and more of a traditional shoelace. Most of the tongue, again, is in that same mesh that's right here and right here on the shoe. And then on your left foot, you have the Golf with Fleur logo. Yeah, that's embroidered on there with this grid kind of pattern. And then on the other shoe, you're going to see the Converse logo. Now on the inside of the shoe there, you can see the Golf with Fleur logo with Converse and the classic Made in Vietnam sticker. On the back it says Converse, and you also have this pull tag with the reflective material running right there as well. And then the inside, one thing about Giannos that makes them interesting when you're wearing them is they have this band on the inside, this elastic band that holds your foot in place. So it does weight the shoe down on your foot quite a bit. And then let's look at the bottom then. You have your brown, very grippy, you know, traction-based sole. And then you have this like hard plate in the middle here. I don't know all the technical terminology for shoes, but you have this hard plate in the middle here with the Golf with Fleur printed on that as well. And then your Converse at the bottom. So yeah, overall really nice colorway. Let's get into that on-foot look. Alright, here's that on-foot look. I would say these are styled better with baggier pants, or maybe just some shorts. I'll also give you a look at what they look like if you cuff your pants up, but I think they look much better in the baggy look. Here's the cuffed look. So yeah guys, that's going to wrap it up on my review of the Golf with Fleur Gianno. There's just a couple more things I want to note as far as sizing goes. When you're looking at these compared to Vans, if you normally would wear per se a 10.5 in Vans, get a 10.5 in these. But if you're comparing the sizing of these to the Golf with Fleur Uno 1 stars, I usually wear a 10 in 1 stars, and I go back to true sizing with a 10.5 in these. So while the 1 stars run big and you have to size down, these just get the size you normally wear in like Vans or most other Nike shoes. The retail of the shoe is anywhere from around $115 to $130 depending on where you find it at, although it is sold out at most places online. If you like this video, make sure to check out some of my other ones. I am doing a review on the other colorway of this one, and I also have tons of golf videos, so make sure to check those out, and I'll see you next time.